Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make banana bread. It's a type of bread which is made from mashed banana. It has a very moist, sweet and cake-like texture. It goes well with tea. To know the recipe, keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Let's take a glass bowl and it will add bananas. I'm taking 3 overripe bananas and cutting them into small pieces so that it will be easier to mash them. Now taking a hand beater and trying to mash the banana. You can see my banana is already mashed nicely. Now we're going to add eggs. I'm going to add 2 eggs to it directly into the bowl. With the help of the hand beater, I'm giving it a mix. Now I am adding half a cup of refined oil. You can add melted butter as well. Mix it all nicely. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. You can also add powdered white sugar. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of flour. I'm sifting it through a sifter so that there won't be any lumps. Two teaspoons of baking powder. With the help of a spatula, I'm folding my batter. Half a cup of yogurt. With the help of a beater, mix it properly. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. These are the last two ingredients. Give it a good mix. Our batter is ready. I have already greased a pan with oil. You can also grease it with butter and added the batter to it. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees C. Now I'm going to put the pan in the oven for 1 hour. It's a 9 into 5 bread loaf pan. You can see my banana bread is ready. I'm just going to quickly check if it's properly cooked. You can see there is nothing on the knife. I hope you liked my recipe. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment in the comment section.